when high-temperature protection matters most. Ordinary fabrics simply won't cut it. Whether you're managing welding operations, fire safety systems, or thermal insulation covers, you need a material that can handle extreme heat without sacrificing flexibility. That's where Vermiculite-coated fiberglass fabric comes in. This high-performance fabric is engineered for demanding industrial environments. It combines the natural high-temperature resistance of fiberglass with a specially formulated vermiculite coating that improves durability, abrasion resistance, and long-term thermal stability. The result is a flexible, easy-to-handle material that delivers reliable fire resistance and excellent thermal insulation. It's ideal for welding blankets, fire curtains, thermal insulation covers, and other high-temperature protection applications. Vermiculite-coated fiberglass fabric can withstand short-term temperatures up to 700 C, making it suitable for extreme heat exposure in welding, metalworking, construction, and industrial maintenance. More importantly, it doesn't just resist heat. It helps block flame spread, reduces thermal transfer, and maintains flexibility, even after repeated use. That combination makes it a practical choice for both safety protection and thermal management. This product is brought to you by Suntex, one of China's leading producers of fiberglass, fire and thermal insulation materials. Our product range covers temperatures from 70 up to 1700 C, serving industries including petroleum, aerospace, metallurgy, energy, and more. We are ISO 9001:2015 certified and SGS tested, and our fire-resistant fabrics are trusted by industrial partners around the world. If you are looking for a reliable high-temperature fabric for welding blankets, fire curtains, or insulation covers, Suntex Vermiculite-coated fiberglass fabric could be the solution you need. Contact us today to learn more about custom sizes, technical specifications, and bulk supply options.